Don't drop Okowa as running mate. Igbo youths won Atiku, PDP. Ohaneze Igbo youths worldwide OYC has cautioned PDP flag bearer Atiku Abubakar on what he stands to lose if he dropped Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa as a running mate. This is coming as there are feelings that Atiku is under pressure to replace Okowa with Nyesom Wike, his River State counterpart. Already, Wike supporters have also settled for a withdrawal of Okowa as the only way there would be peace in the party. Atiku is somewhat in confusion as to what to do. Ohaneze youths are also pressuring him not to change his mind that he better continue with Okowa as his running mate in order to get the support of Ndi. The statement signed by the national president of OYC, Mazi Nnabuike, and the secretary, Comrade Obinna Achionye, said any attempt to replace Okowa will backfire. Nnabuike said the Igbo will not accept losing out completely in the scheme of things, having lost the opportunity to produce the presidential candidate of either the PDP or the All Progressive Congress APC. There is no need to repeat that we expected both the PDP and the APC to zone their presidential ticket to the southeast, but that did not happen. Though this has been overtaken by events, the only consolation we have is the choice of Governor Ifeanyi Okowa as running mate to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, considering that Okowa is a true Igbo son. Having said this, how could anyone wake up and think of replacing Okowa with Wike? As much as we know that Atiku reserves the right to choose whoever he wills as his running mate, we also have the right to vote according to our desire. And that desire is clear that the PDP would not get one vote from Igbo land should they field Wike, because this is a man who disowned Igbo. He said he is not one of us. Should the PDP make the mistake of pairing him with Atiku, the PDP will roundly rejected during the presidential election the Ohaneze youths want. The OYC added, with the new electoral act, those who constituted themselves into emperors are going to be disgraced during the polls. The time for bogus fake result is over, so nobody should be deceived. Quite alright, it will be a very hard choice for Atiku, who already outlined his reasons, though not officially, for not wanting Wike to be his running mate, despite being the party's choice. Atiku will begin to weigh which threat is heavier, to lose the support of Ndibo, as the Ohaneze youth rightly claimed. But does the youth even have the support they claim to withdraw from him should he opt for Wike? How many Igbo youths agree with Ohaneze Ndibo in these days of voters' apathy, Biafra agitation? Does the Ohaneze Ndibo youth command numerous followers as to be able to make such threats? Meanwhile, another thing to note is that Wike is not in the good books of Ndibo for denying his Igbo-ness several times, and the altercation with IPOB in Obibo, River State. Okowa may be a far better choice among Igbos who intends to leave the P2B Labour Party for PDP. Aside, Wike is also seen as proud and arrogant, a quality party members dislikes and talks about. What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section of this video.